Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp custom fields for project reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install custom fields in ClickUp for project reporting, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the specific space or folder where you want to add custom fields. Click on the settings icon located in the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, select the custom fields option from the sidebar. Click on the plus Add Custom Field button to create a new field. You will see multiple types of custom fields to choose from. Select the field type that best suits your reporting needs, such as text, drop-down, or number. Enter a name for your custom field in the designated text box. If applicable, configure any additional options, like default values or field settings. Once all configurations are complete, click on the Create button. Your new custom field will now appear in the list of custom fields for that space or folder. To apply this custom field to existing tasks, navigate back to the desired project view. Open any task where you want to implement the new custom field. Find the custom field section within the task details on the right side. Select the custom field from the drop-down menu and fill in the necessary information. Repeat this process for each relevant task across your project. Now that your custom fields are set up, you can use them for reporting. To view reports with your custom fields, navigate to the reporting dashboard in ClickUp. Choose the specific report type you wish to create based on your project's metrics. Filter the report options to include the custom fields you created. Generate your report to visualize your project data effectively. Review the generated report for insights and data analysis. That's how you install and utilize ClickUp custom fields for project reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.